All right. Thank you thank you for coming to this new video about Shiba Inu. Today, as you can see, the market is moving sideways. As you can see, all the cryptocurrency are in the red. So, but hey, again, this is not a financial advice, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing and what I'm seeing here. This is my analysis. So at this time, as you can see, Shiba Inu just dropped down to the number 31. So it's on the 31st position. So this is not a bad news, but for me, I'm going to use this opportunity to consolidate my position, so to buy some more coins. This is just on the price side, but also let's look into the swap here. As you can see, the swap was on a few days ago. So there is this opportunity to get passive income through the swap. So what you have to do is to use this option right here to farm your tokens. As you can see, as it says here, that you stake your SSLP and claim your return. Your SSLP is the tokens that you're going to get once you buy bonds. So once you bury them, it becomes a SSLP. So you can see there's a lot of combination here that you can pick. So, but the best one for me, not the best one, but the one I think I will go for is this one here. And this opportunity is only for 1 week. So soon, in few days, this thing gonna shut off. So you have to take your chance. Whoever wanna invest, so this is the right time to do so. Okay. And the other thing, some good news for Shiba. As you can see, once the big players, big markets, big news outlets start talking about a topic, that means that topic is about to take off. So as you can see right here, Shiba Inu, the FS Street is talking about Shiba Inu. It's a true reason why Shiba Inu is one of the most bullish cryptos in the market. You see, they say that Shiba is resisted. As you can see right here, it says it's extremely rare for a newer asset to fall 85% over 9 days and immediately rebound. So that is the power of Shiba. Guys, the Shiba army is really, really strong, and they're really passionate on keeping the Shiba Inu afloat. As you can see, it says here, the pattern triggered price for Shiba is the neckline of the inverse head and head shoulder pattern of 92, 92 value, and the measure move is 85%, featuring a Shiba price target of 1693. And you remember, investing in Shiba is a long-term project. So you don't, invest today to reap the profit tomorrow. So you have to be patient. So, but again, there's that patience will pay off. So that's really something good. As you can see on the graph here, there was a lot of red candles. So from the last time Shiba hit its highest point, which was valued at 33, but this time here, as you can see, it's been sliding, but resisting, creating every time it's going to slide, it will create a new resistance point. So as you can see right there. So it's something that you have to look into, my friend. So again, Yahoo has also another article about Shiba, saying that Shiba is ready to rebound. Again, that's what I said. This was today. Today is July 13th. This is news from Yahoo saying that Shiba is about to take off because there's a lot of catalysts in the pipeline. You have Coinbase that will, list Shiba again. So that will be a big catalyst. And also, Coinbase is planning on expanding, and they're not going to stop right there. So, and also the Shiba swap, itself, the fact that they are allowing new tokens coming that will bring some more investment, some more eyeballs on this project. So it's something that you have to look into. Okay, I think that was it for today. So peace and good investing. Bye.